Guys, ito yung paraan para magtanggal ng tulili. Gamit po dyan wax, paper wax. Makikita niyo mamaya kung gaano karumi ang tenga ko.
She heard me, Mr. Fenn. More than that, she listened. All my life, people barely looked at me, like I was invisible.
Ayan na guys, malapit na.
When I walk into the room, everybody listens.
Baka mahulog sa akin yung papel, ha?
You understand what that's like. People used to listen to you. They used to hang on your every word. You had so much power, but now it's gone.
Kuhanin mo na.
Mary told me.
Ayan, tingnan nyo.
She looked at
Tingnan nyo
you
yung tulili ko.
and saw someone who needed her. A soul yearning for her touch.
Oh, ayan no.
You and the lady
Ayan yung
with the
duming
same
natanggal sa tenga ko.
Mr. Fenn
Grabe, kadiri.
spread her word.
Yun lang guys. O, diba?
Spread her
Ito yung natutunan nyo today sa akin. Tapos, linisin natin na makita natin kung may natira pang dumi. Linis naman na. Sumama na lahat dun sa ano. Sumama na lahat sa wala na oh. Ayan oh. Ayan, wala na. Nakuha na siya lahat. Yun lang guys. Oh, ito yung bagong natutunan natin for today. So, kung gusto nyong gayahin, pwede. Hindi nyo kailangan magpabayad pa. Thanks for watching.